Alright, how y'all doing today? My name is Eamon. Just coming back once again. The final step here, what I'm going to be doing today is linear regression. So let's get it started. So first we have the sales price, set sale price to building size. So first we want to highlight the sales price column. Go here to scattered, mark scattered. And then we have all our points here in the scatter plot. And then we want a building size as well. So first we want to control, select data. Since the sales prices are Y, the building size is going to be our X. So click here, and then you'd highlight building size. Points in here. Hit enter. Now we want to name it too, so we can name this sales price to building size, since that's the name of the two columns we're using. Building size, and then click OK. And now we have our chart, and we have what we want. So now we're going to move this chart, making things a little bit easier, to a new sheet, chart form. Alright, so now we want to make this a little bit easier to see, so we're going to double click here, change our maximum to, let's say, around 12,000, because you still have some outliers here and here, so we'll move it to right around 12,000, just so make life a little bit easier for you guys. So we can see how it's a lot easier to read now. Definitely we can see and get a little bit more better view of the chart. So click OK. Okay, so next we want to do our linear regression. Let's do a line. So click on the point, control, add trend line, and you want to do linear, and then you want to go to options, display equation on chart, and display R squared value on chart. Okay, and then here just drag this up to the top so it's readable. I'll make it a little bigger. Oh well, it's still visible, and now you can see how the trend line is going one way. This is a negative trend because of the number on the Y, number on the X. So then we'll add some more. We'll add a label for the X and Y axis. So we'll go to chart layouts, axis title, horizontal axis. Horizontal axis, so this would be the this would be the build. So this would be the building size. Change it. Building size and cool. Building size, and then add one more vertical axis. And this would be the sales price by square foot. Sales price. There that goes. Cool. So now you have all your points, and now we can add a couple more lines too. So why don't we go ahead and do that? Add another trend line. Let's do a logarithmic line, and we could also do we could either do a power line or sorry about that. We could also do a power line or a logarithmic line, or a polynomial line. So we'll do the polynomial. It's easy. Cool. And now you can see you have all three trend lines here. 1, 2, 3. And that is about it for the trend line, or for the trend lines and stuff like that. That's pretty much linear regression. And then to see the average sales price, you just plug a number into this equation. So we can do that right now. We can do that right now with this calculator. So say we have, there's a lot of points right around this 600 area, so it would be negative 0.0035 times, we'll say right around 600. So let's say 575. We'll go times 575. That equals negative 201. So plus 514.96. Answer is 512, and that's right around where all our traffic is. So that's basically how you can use it and how you can see the sales price to building size and where the average is coming in at. And that's how you see all that. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. My name's Eamon Rock Cunningham. Thank you so much. Oh, one last thing I almost forgot. The best fit line I see here would definitely be this trend line right here. This would be the this would be the logarithmic line. The logarithmic trend line. Yes, this would be the logarithmic line. And I think it shows its best because it shows the downward spiral of the graph, and you can see that this is the number on the x is negative, so that's how you know this is negative. So this line would be the best indication of this graph. Anything else? Yep, that's about it. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, and hope you enjoy it.